Geography quiz number 1. Which African peak is known as the Mountain of the Cold Devils? Mount Kilimanjaro. Where is the volcano Mount Meru? Tanzania. Mount Blanc lies within the territories of which 3 countries? France, Switzerland, and Italy. Where is the Thar Desert? India. Which range of mountain in Africa takes its name from a mythological character condemned to support the universe on his shoulders? The Atlas Mountains. Where is the Cotopaxi volcano? Ecuador. 2 continents are separated by 1 range of mountains. Name the continents and the mountains. Europe and Asia. The Ural Mountains. Where is the Atacama Desert? Chile. Where is Kerinci volcano? Sumatra, Indonesia. All continents have deserts except one. Which is that continent? Europe. Thank you.